little hopeful, so I went to Aldi, and I went to Aldi to get something for Mama. Didn't really plan on going in there, and let me show you what I picked up. Later this week, I do want to go back to Aldi and get the book bag and the lunch box that they have for the kids, and I hope that it has a laptop sleeve or Chromebook sleeve in the back. I'm hoping it does, because it might not work, because of virtual school, they instructed the kids to bring their Chromebooks to school every day. So I have to check that and see. But they're super cute. I did see Sam's has some too. Was it book bags or just lunch boxes? But I have to probably go up there. I did see a few online. I was looking at Peach McIntyre's Sam's haul, and she showed this really cute book lunch box with the water bottle on the side. And I wish I saw it when I went to Sam's the other day in the bento boxes. So anyway, let me show you what I got. So I went in there because Mama called me. I thought something was wrong. She's out of town right now, so she wanted these produce. This was the previous week. Today is August the 2nd, this Wednesday of last week. So this is the 2-pack berry keeper, and it looks like all the pieces are there. And she wanted the produce, well, either one. So you get a 2-pack of the berry keeper and one of the produce keeper. I think it's larger. So this was the last one. The thing was ripped and everything, but she said it was fine. And it looks like I told her she can take it back. It looks like everything is on it. Okay. She also wanted this. I think this might have been a previous week. I'm not sure. The portable LED air cooler. And I think it does have an adapter for your car. I know it has a USB. So I think this is the adapter right here. I have to open it up and see, but she can take it back if it doesn't. Or she probably can buy an adapter from Amazon. Okay, y'all, so I got 2 of the orange juice. Sometimes I don't buy orange juice unless we plan on having some kind of breakfast, because my husband just sees it as cold. He don't even really want it, and he drinks it. Okay, y'all, pulling out my stuff from the refrigerator. You see this? Do you see this? He talking about this was regular. Try 50. Trail know I'm a fuzz, so it wasn't Trail, especially to drink this much. So I knew who it was. Look at this, y'all. I just got it yesterday. I was like, y'all could have got a regular orange juice. It's a whole regular big old orange juice in there. And you messing with my Trop 50. Alright, y'all. Mix it up like water. Okay, so then I thought I would make burgers today, because I didn't take or plan to take. I forgot to take something out, and I just got back from the dentist with Saya. So I was like, well, I can make burgers. I try to make things too that Saya likes, but we will be eating the same thing, which we kind of do, over and over all the time. So I got this 10 for $10 patties. They look like they're a little bit smaller than, yeah, they are, than these. And Trail's home, so I picked up these 2 so it makes sure it's enough. I got the mild. They had no medium salsa. I like this salsa. It's really good. Some Roma tomatoes. I really got these hamburger dill chips for anybody who wants them, but for JJ. I don't really care for pickles on a burger. I can't stand it. But I like pickles. That's crazy. So it seems like it changes the whole taste. And I don't like it. I take it off, or I ask for them to leave it off at Chick-fil-A. Okay, so I got some country style baked beans. I was like, why are these $1.98? And then I looked and I was like, oh, they're Bush's. So I got 2 of those to fill them up. I probably will make fries. I forgot that big bag of fries from Sam's, the waffle fries, kind of like Chick-fil-A, they are still in the big freezer. Okay, so I got 3 of these. I thought I got 4. 3 of these because my stockpile of baked beans is low. I should have got some at Sam's the other day and I forgot. I got some romaine lettuce. And I think just instead of having like cheeseburgers or something, they can have bacon. I might make the Big Mac sauce. I don't know. And I will probably have a lettuce wrap, and or either the whole wheat. I got this the other day. Hold on, y'all. The whole grain brioche buns. I got this the other day, so I have to scan it and see how many points is that. I have to use it, and I don't want it to go bad. I don't really have no room in the freezer. And what was I saying? Yeah, some tomatoes, lettuce, onion, pickles if they want. Yeah, fix it all up instead of regular burgers. Here, I got the thick cut bacon today. I got 2 of them, one for breakfast. And then some pineapple for myself. I did not want to lug a big old watermelon, so I got these little ones. I think they're $3.99 each. The brioche buns, they like this. I got the sharp deli sliced cheese, and I got 2 of the Irish butter because I didn't have any more of the Kerrygold. And then lastly, I think this is no, it's not lastly. I got the Dental Guard. Josiah just went to the dentist, and he needs to floss better and brush his teeth. So I was gonna run into Walmart, but it's so hot that I was like, my butter's gonna melt and my food's in the car. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, this is perfect. So I got one for JJ2, and so I picked him up one, even though this is an adult toothbrush, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine. I got one for JJ2, and I'm still trying to think of something else that I want to talk about with that. Yeah, it was just too high. I wanted to go in there and get those under the bed things for Jason's side of the bed at Walmart. So I'm hoping and they'll have some when I go the other day. I don't know why I got choked. Okay, y'all. So over here, they like the... I kind of like more so if it has like carbonation in it. But they like these. I think they're $5.99. I can't remember, y'all. The fruit is like flavored water. And it's strawberry, grape, raspberry, and peach. And this time I got 2. And I got 2 cases of water. So that's it for today's little haul. If I go back to Aldi, it'll be for those lunch boxes and the book bag. And I hope it comes in, because it's kind of hard to guess when it's going to come in if it doesn't come in on Wednesday. That will be the only thing that I'll probably will pick up later in the week, and I'll add it to this haul. Okay, y'all, bye. Oh, I don't know if I say, I decided one of these peanut butter wafers, so I picked that up. I needed some onion powder. I need to get a big thing from Sam's, so I just went ahead and picked up 2. I use that a lot. That, black pepper, garlic powder, a whole lot, and sometimes garlic salt. So, and the Bada Complete season. That is the main seasonings that I use all the time. Good morning, guys. I'm here at Aldi, and I'm trying to get here. Well, I tried to get here right at 9 because I'm trying to get these book bags for Saya. Let me make sure my mic's not covered up. Book bags for Saya, or book bag and lunch pail for Saya. So I hope they came in, because sometimes things don't come in because of what's going on. Oh, this card. Hold on. Okay, guys, I hope you can hear me. Okay, they got them. Saya wanted either this one or the... I forgot what the other one was, but I'm gonna put the camera down. Here's what the girls look like. It's another pattern. I don't see it. What was it? I can't remember, y'all. Oh, here it is, the dinosaurs. That's so cute. That's so cute, little girl. Let's see, they also have this big coloring. I get these by myself. Washable markers, pencil, long-lasting color. They're $1.99. Okay, I was trying to figure out what this was. So it's a little workstation. Okay, that's neat. You can put it on your lap. It's $30. Tea table. They got these little water shoes. Let's see. Some Play-Doh. I don't know if I'm getting them crayons or not. I might for my coloring book. All this stuff is stuff from last week. I think I'm gonna get some yogurt and that's it, y'all, because I don't need nothing out of here. Got some time. Let's see, some scissors. They got these. The mirrors. These are cute. Were they $20 or $29? I think they're $20. Super cute. And everything else is last week. Yeah, I want to get this for Southside. I saw this in somebody's haul. And I was like, Smile, would you like that? And he was like, yeah. You only get 8 cups. Okay. We'll try it out first. We'll get number 1. I'm trying to find what else. Okay, y'all, so they got the Snickers and Twigs. I don't know if JJ will like this or not. Maybe the Twigs. I'll try it. I'm not a big fan of yogurt, so I know Jason will eat it. My mama loves it, Chobani. What is the special of the week? Okay. $169. She got like chicken tacos or something today. Okay, this is new. The hash brown sticks are $2.49. I don't know. Cinnamon glass. I'll get that. What are these? I might try these try these. Okay, hopeful. So I'm back from the store today. I went to several places. I think that normally that was my gym time, but because of the variant, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to work out at home, put in my workout yeah, because I don't like going with the mask on, y'all. So I got up and out to get Josiah's. I'm gonna add this to another haul and maybe show a little bit in the store, but I got up to get Josiah this from Aldi. So this is Walmart and Aldi, and I did go to Dollar Tree and Dollar General, but I will put the Dollar Tree separate. Dollar General did not have any fall things out. So I got up early to get Josiah. I've been eyeing this since last week. When I see the preview of the ad, you can see their preview of the ad in the app. And then also they'll have it like on the wall, on the mirror, on the glass when you walk out, or in the flyer. I think the flyer is just a sneak peek. So I got him this insulated lunch bag. He takes his lunch and he loves outer space. He did ask for the dinosaurs, but I don't think he know what he wanted. But he ended up getting this one. I believe this is $8.99, and I think it can strap to the book bag. And then I did get him a Minecraft book bag last year just for fun, even though he still can use it for other things. He can still take it to school. But it doesn't have, before I left, I checked, it doesn't have the laptop slide sleeve in that Minecraft book bag. And now that they have the Chromebooks, our county told them to keep them, and they're supposed to bring them to school every day. So anyway, the book bag was $14.99, and they had other styles. You guys can see that in the footage. And I like that it's padded in the back. It has the most straps. Good gracious. And let me see if I can open it up. Okay, so it has this little pocket up here. I guess you can put your phone or some type of device. You can put your headphones through here, maybe even a charger. I don't know, but usually your headphones. And then it has the pocket here to put your Chromebook in. It's not super, well, it is kind of, yeah, it is. It's just strapped together. It's not a big old book bag, but it's, well, it's the regular size, y'all. You know how the little kids, they look like their book bag is drowning them. So then it has a pocket on the side. You can put whatever, or a water bottle. And I was watching Peach McIntyre. I like to watch her videos. Peach, and she went to Sam's, and she got, and I was just in Sam's, and sometimes I don't look at all the non-food stuff. And she got the lunch box with the water bottle on the side for her kids. I think they're sold out online, so I'm going to have to go up there to see if they have any in those bento boxes. So I may get that too for Sasa, because he takes his lunch all year, and he should be good. Then it's another pocket here. And then somehow I'm sure you can strap that lunch pail on. So that's pretty good for that price. And then what I got from Aldi, I was watching someone's haul, and they got this Yo Crunch. It's upside down, y'all. Yo Crunch Oreo and M&M.